Okay, time for an update. I have my hoses insulated. I first wrapped them with duct tape. Then I wrapped this floor underlayment that I had left over when I put my hardwood floor down, laminate floor down, and I wrapped it several times and then went around that and secured to my window box. And we will go inside. Alrighty. Okay, it's not turned on at the moment, even though it's hot enough to be on. I've installed this temperature gauge, this old thermometer I had outside. It really wasn't very accurate outside because when the sun would hit it, of course, the greenhouse effect would set the temperature really high. But in here, I'm probably getting a more accurate reading. It's not even turned on, and this is just, I guess, from the convection of the heat itself, hot air rising inside, pulling cold air from the bottom, pulling the air from my home in without being turned on. It's currently looks like it's right at 100 degrees. Zoom in a little bit so you can see that it's right on the 100 mark, and it's not even turned on. Okay, now it's turned on and it's blowing some pretty hot air, and I'll just leave it here for a few seconds and a few minutes and see what happens. Looks like it's slowly starting to rise now. Yeah, there it goes. Just went past the 100 mark, steadily climbing. I'm curious to find out how hot this thing is blowing, because this is the first for me too. I don't know. It's 65 degrees outside, by the way. I just checked the weather channel. 65 in my area. Looks like it's up to 104. Right here to the side, you can see that it's just blowing up underneath it. Looks like there's a metal stem underneath, I guess, that secures the indicator in place. .106 so far. Hard time focusing with this. There we go. 106. And steadily climbing. Looks like we're going to make 110. Yep, there's 110. Trying to get it straight so we don't have a parallaxed view. .110. And climbing. It'd be really cool if this thing pegs out. I'll have to get a better temperature gauge to get a better or more accurate reading. But I figured this will do. I just have it secured onto the side over here. A couple of screws. And I don't have one of the better hose clamps holding my elbow in place. It's just one of those spring-loaded contraptions I don't really care for. They don't seal very well. Okay, looks like I'm up to 114, almost 116, and still climbing. I'm sure this thing's probably going to peg out. I'll post this, but I'll have to do another with a better temperature gauge. Just curious. Wanted to show that this sucker does blow in some hot air. And 65 degrees outside, and I'm going to say right now 118 degrees blowing inside. I'm going to keep this here until we peg out. This thing does go past the 120, so I may just keep recording. Haha. This is exciting, right? Yay, I'm watching a temperature gauge rise. Sweet. There it is, 120 degrees. And I'm just going to try to keep this here, keep it steady, and just see how far this temperature gauge goes. Got a couple minutes to play with on this memory card on my camera. I'll chop this up later. Yeah, we're past 120 now. As you can see, I got the same kind of spring-loaded clamp on my intake here. Just have a hose hanging. Looks like it's probably roughly 2.5 inches off the floor. I don't know, 122, 124 maybe. Alright, I guess I've bored you guys enough. I'm going to stop there, and I'll post my final results.